Welcome back. Today is the 17th, so we are on day 20 of the tomato grow. So we're going to check in with those guys. I could tell you that yesterday, it was pretty chilly yesterday, but we had sunshine, so I moved them out to the grow house for the afternoon. It got down to around 33 last night. I did move them back to the shed last night under the grow lights. It got down to 33 last night. It's at like 49 right now, and it's supposed to get up to about 61, I think. So that's way good for being inside the grow house over here. So I put them in the grow house this morning. I am slowly getting the grow house cleaned up a little bit, so I can actually get them in. But the main thing today I wanted to show you is these guys, right? So we're 20 days in, and we're actually doing pretty good. We're getting some. These are the ones in the round pots here. Remember, are the large cherry tomatoes. Right here in the front, these are the late starters. I'm going to transplant a couple of those. They won't catch up to these, so I'll just go ahead and transplant those, and those will be giveaways. But yeah, the rest of these are coming up really nice. We're 20 days from seed, so I'm really happy with that. So I moved them out here. I've got a few, like this one here. I'll pull it out today. Maybe that one over there. If I have any that are not looking like they're going to keep up or not doing well, then I'm gonna call those out and get rid of those right now. So it's really nice having them out here in the grow house. The only drawback is and the same with inside, is it's very still. So what I have, I got set up in here, I got a couple of fans. I got a little fan here and another little one that I'll stick over here, but I'll just turn these on the low setting. And what I want to do is I don't want a cyclone going across here. I just want those plants to be moving and have to work to stay upright. So there's two things that happen when I bring them out here in the sun rather than keeping them under the grow house. First, the fan will help give them movement. The other thing they're going to do is they're going to follow the sun as it comes across from the east to the west. So that's going to give them some movement on their own, and then along with the fan, it makes really strong stalks on these things. And I really want to get those. I want to get those worked out, puffed up, strengthened up before, because they're going to be in these pots for another couple of weeks, and then they're going to go in the larger pots, which will be their final pot. And I don't necessarily want a lot of height right now. I want them to bulk up a little bit. So these are bulking up on their own real nice, but with the extra movement, they'll even do better with that. Same with these guys back here. So yeah, so we're doing really good. So I'm not going to water these guys. Some of them will need some water, and you can tell from the weight. So this one could use a little bit of water, but I'm still going to let it get kind of dry. But since I don't have tons and tons of tomatoes, one of the things that I can do is give them a little bit more individual attention. And so I'll come in here when I bring these out to the grow house. I'll give these a little squeeze, not enough to mess everything up, but to make sure that soil does not get compacted in there. So I want that soil to stay nice and loose and give those roots the chance to go get those nutrients that are in there and move around freely and make those nice big root balls. I don't want them to struggle. that is day 20 of the tomato growth. They look like they're doing really well. I appreciate you guys coming and watching my videos. If you would hit the like button, that'd be great. Subscribe, that's right here. Comment and share, that'd be great. I appreciate you guys a lot. I really do. So thanks again. See ya.